It's been 5.5 hours. Let's take some close-ups of my face. Hi gorgeous, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be testing the new Putty products by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I have here the Acne Fighting Putty Primer, also the Putty Bronzer and the Putty Blush. I'm gonna be doing a full day wear test for all of these, and also I'm going to show you how to apply the products. The primer retails for $9. The Putty Bronzer and the Putty Blush retail for $6 each, and you can find them in 8 shades each. All of them are cruelty-free and vegan, like all of the products by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Putty products are becoming a thing with e.l.f. Cosmetics. I don't know any other brand that has so many putty products. Let me know in the comments if you know a brand. Share this video with a friend that likes drugstore products, and also don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. And let's start with the primer. In Europe it is called Blemish Fighting Putty Primer. It is exactly the same with the Active Fighting Putty Primer. I bought this because I thought it was a color correcting primer because it is green, and it's not. It is a clear primer, as I have read later on their website after I have paid. This one contains 1.8 salicylic acid, and this ingredient can help prevent acne. So this one, oops, I closed it. This one looks very similar to the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I have also tried that one in a comparison review with the Putty Primer by Essence. I'm going to have a link in the description box if you want to watch that video. It looks gorgeous. I don't want to ruin the beautiful surface, but I have to. First of all, zoom, 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 and also the headband because my hair are going to be everywhere. This is how my skin looks now. I have sunscreen and also a serum on my skin, so I have a little bit of glow here. My pores are a little bit more noticeable now. This primer diminishes the appearance of blemishes and pores for a clear and smooth complexion. Effortlessly glides over the skin to smooth over imperfections and grips makeup for all day wear. It looks so pretty even in the swatch. I took just a little bit. I'm going to warm it up in my fingers. Okay, it is clear as you can see, and then now I'm going to press it all over my face, especially on this area. Oops. It is very spreadable. The consistency reminds me of face butters that are more solid in the beginning and then they melt into the skin. Okay, so I'm going to need some more for this forehead here. It is very lightweight on the skin. It's not heavy at all, and I'm also going to take the rest of the product from the spatula to use it on my jawline and the neck. So it doesn't have a scent. It is like very lightweight, a little bit chemical, but it is almost scentless. It is a little bit sticky. It's not very fast absorbing. It looks like a moisturizer, like a skincare product. I don't think that it did something for the texture of my skin. So let's take some close-ups. This primer gives a very light glow to the skin. I don't think it does much for smoothing the texture or even pore filling here on my cheeks. For me, this is like a radiant primer. I also need to use some foundation on top of it, and I'm gonna be using the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. I have it in the shade 20 Warm Beige, and I have also done an individual review for this one. I'm going to have a link in the description box if you want to see the wear test for this. To apply this, I'm using a Catrice sponge. I have applied on half of my face so we can see clearly if it did something for the texture. It doesn't intensify any small blemishes that I have, but I also don't see a very big difference for my texture. I'm going to continue with the other side of my face. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. I don't feel that this primer is something special. It reminds me a lot of the Poreless Putty Primer, so maybe this can work better on someone that has acne-prone skin. I have dry skin, and let's continue with the Putty Bronzer, and I got it in the shade Feeling Shady. I think this is the lightest shade, and This is the baby. I decided to get this one because it was looking in the pictures that it has a cool tone undertone. The Putty bronzer is a unique putty to powder bronzer that delivers highly pigmented buildable color for a natural sun-kissed glow. I took some with my spatula and then I'm going to press it on the back of my hand. Of course, you can always take your brush and go into the pot, but for hygienic reasons I'm not gonna do that. The consistency is very similar to the previous primer and it is very creamy. Ooh, it looks super pretty. So I'm taking this small brush. It is by Essence and it was in the collection Glowin Gold. I have done a review for this brush set. I think it was with 11 brushes. I'm going to have a link in the description box. I'm taking some with this one. I'm just pressing on my cheekbone. It blends very easily, but I think it is patchy. I'm trying to give an uplifting effect to my face, so I'm not blending downwards. I'm also going to use my fingertips. Let's go to the other side. Oh, what's happening? I think I'm not applying a lot of product. I can see that I have some definition. Maybe I need more. The foundation that I have used is a little bit darker for my skin tone, so maybe that's why this bronzer looks ashy. I'm going to apply a little bit more. I also want to apply this on my forehead. Especially on this side, it looks very patchy. It looks like my foundation is removed. It's not so easy to blend. Also, it's very confusing that it gives a glowy finish, so you don't see what you're doing. I have applied a lot of product and I don't see such a big difference. However, this is the lightest shade. It's not so light in the swatches or in the pot. Maybe I need to use it with another foundation color. This one is scentless as well. It looks a little bit muddy on my skin. Also, it is very lightweight. I have applied so much product, but I don't feel something on my skin. On the back of my hand, it looks much better, and now it is like powdery and not sticky at all. My skin is sticky. I will have to set it. I'm not so happy about this product. And let's see if the Putty blush is a little bit better. The shade that I got for this one is Turks and Caicos. It looks like a beautiful, gorgeous color for the cheeks. I nailed it because I was doing some close-ups. This lightweight but buildable putty to powder blush blends seamlessly into skin. Infused with argan oil and vitamin E, will give you a flushed from within glow. It goes so well with my earrings. And I'm going to apply this on the back of my hand. Blend it. It has exactly the same formula with the primer and also the bronzer, but I think this one has a better color payoff and also coverage. So let's see. And I'm going to press some of the product on the apples of the cheeks and you can smile. This is the highest point. And I'm also trying to bring the product into the bronzer. I think that's enough. So I'm cleaning my fingertip on a tissue and then I'm blending. I'm just pressing my skin and lightly I'm blending towards the cheekbone. I think this one looks absolutely stunning. It looks very pretty on the cheeks. It has very nice color payoff and it looks very natural. What happened with the bronzer? I'm applying some on the bridge of the nose as well and blending with the other fingertip. As you can see, I haven't used a lot of the product, so we can clearly see that this product is buildable and blendable. I'm applying just a little bit more. I don't know why. Oh my god, this looks gorgeous. Okay, now I'm very excited to actually buy more shades of this blush because it is so easy to apply. It looks amazing. I'm curious to see if this one is also going to be a powder. On the back of my hand, now it is like a powder. It's not sticky at all, but on my cheeks, it is sticky. So I don't know how you can use the blush and the bronzer on your face so you can have this putty to powder effect. I don't know. Also, it feels very lightweight. All of the products today are very comfortable on the skin. I don't think that it does something for smoothing my skin, but also it doesn't intensify any texture, so that's fine. I'm going to set everything with the Catrice True Skin Mineral Loose Powder. This one contains hyaluronic acid and it gives a transparent matte finish. It creased a little bit on the forehead. You can just blend it with your fingers. I didn't need so much powder to set all of the face products, and what I like is that the blush is still noticeable, so I'm not going to apply any more bronzing or blush products on my face. That's it. I'm going to continue with the rest of my makeup off camera. Also today I'm craving for salmon, the way that my husband is cooking it in the oven. So we're going to the grocery store to get some. I'm very excited. It's so delicious. So I'm gonna see you in a while, most probably in the kitchen. Hi guys, we are outside again. We are in a park. I'm not going very close to the trees because there are so many bees. My face is looking very nice. We went to the grocery store and I was wearing my mask. It's not patchy at all. It looks nice. I think it looks very smooth. The blush is still noticeable. It looks super cute. We couldn't find the salmon, so I don't know what we're cooking. We found some salmon. It is a little bit smaller and we are ready to cook everything. Hi again, we are in my kitchen now. Yes, it is messy, but this is how houses are. The noise that you're hearing is the rice that it's cooking. It's been 5.5 hours. Let's take some close-ups of my face. I think it looks pretty great. I have a light glow on my forehead, also a little bit here on my chin, but it's not terrible. Now I'm preparing the salad. I'm going to do something very simple. Hi guys, it's been 9 hours and let's see what happened with the Putty products. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm very glowy, especially on my cheeks, on the forehead and also on my chin. It doesn't look so complimentary. Also, I think it is a little bit patchy on my forehead. And I didn't wear something on my head today, so I don't know what happened. Maybe it looks like that because of the bronzer. On my cheeks, the blush looks absolutely beautiful. It is my favorite product of today's video. About the primer, I'm confused. This is for acne prone skin, combination skin and also oily skin. So my pores are a lot more visible now because of this glowy finish. So I'm not very sure if this is the right product for someone with oily skin. I think this whole issue that I have with the bronzer is that I got a very light shade, or maybe I have used a very dark foundation today, so I'm going to use it with a different foundation and I'm hoping it's gonna work. The Putty blush is a yes from me. About the primer, I'm not so disappointed or very excited. I'm leaning towards the no team because this is $9. However, maybe this is something that you can use for a period of time and you can see results with your skin. This is a maybe. And for the Putty bronzer, for now it is a no from me. But maybe that's gonna change. Let me know in the comments if you have tried the Putty products and also if you like them. And you can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!